Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by taking the door off its hinges and laying it flat on supports so you can work safely. Use a flathead or spline tool to lift the spline and roll the old mesh out. Save screws and corner pieces in a container so nothing gets lost. Once the mesh is off, measure the opening width and height to the nearest 1/16 so the replacement fits snugly. Write these down and add 1/2 inch for overlap where appropriate. You unfold the new mesh and cut it about 1/2 inch larger than the measured opening, keeping grain and pattern straight so it looks even. Begin by tacking the mesh at the center of one long side, then use a spline roller to press the spline into the channel while you pull the mesh taut. Work from center outward to prevent wrinkles. Once all sides have spline installed, trim the excess with a sharp utility knife, making clean cuts close to the spline without gouging the frame. You now reinstall any corner pieces and the screws, tightening them until snug. Avoid over-tightening, which can warp the frame. Put the door back on its hinges, check the swing and latch, and make small hinge or strike plate adjustments as needed so the door closes smoothly. If the mesh has a small tear, clean the area and apply an adhesive patch. If multiple tears or excessive sagging appear, replace the mesh again. Make sure to check the seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.